You're peering into the Amazon River when suddenly you lose your footing and fall. Piranhas dart over the rapidly approaching water. So, are you doomed? Will fall trigger a fleeting frenzy? To focus your fate, let's see what you know about these fish. There are more than 30 piranha species. All live in the freshwaters of South America and have a single row of sharp interlocking teeth on each jaw. They use their teeth in a variety of ways. Many are omnivorous and supplement diets of things like insects, crustaceans, worms, and fish with fruits, seeds, and other plant matter. And some, like red-berry piranhas, both hunt cabbage, and others, like wimple piranhas, have specific dietary predictions, almost exclusively going after other fishes' scales. Species like red-eye piranhas are more solitary, while red-berry piranhas form shoals of 10 to 100. Red-berry piranhas are among the most popularly depicted and are commonly regarded as especially aggressive. However, their reputation for repetitive pack hunting is misinformed. It's thought the main benefit of their group living isn't cooperative hunting, but instead protection from predators, of which they have many. Larger mature red-berry piranhas tend to assume privileged positions at the shore's center, where it's safest. And scientists have observed the red-berry piranhas in smaller groups breathe faster, probably because they are more anxious. Interestingly, they also communicate by rapidly contracting specialized muscle above their swim bladders. They repeatedly bark when they are facing off with a monitor or when captured. They make static noises when they are aggressively circling each other, fighting or competing for food. And when things escalate further, they chase each other while snapping their jaws together. Researchers suspect that these sounds are just a sampling of their overall repertoire, which might also have some special usage during mating. But when do red-berry piranhas get aggressive with humans? When do bite people? It seems to mostly happen in scenarios when they are being handled, when people are splitting food or cleaning their fishing catch in the water, or when people disturb piranhas while the fish are mating or guarding their eggs during the wet season. Starvation stress is also thought to lead red-berry piranhas to increasingly bold, aggressive behavior. And this could theoretically result in feeding frenzies, where each fish tries to get some of whatever finds its way into the water. Despite this kind of behavior being extremely rare, rumors of it launched the piranha's international infamy. And this was in no small part thanks to former US President Theodore Roosevelt. In 1914, he published a best-selling book in which he called piranhas the most ferocious fish in the world, and wrote that scent of blood could incite them to rapidly devour an entire cow or human alive. But Roosevelt's account is generally considered circumstantial and misleading. The feeding frenzy he witnessed is suspected to have been the result of people purposely starving the baby piranhas, then giving them the opportunity to feed on the cow carcass or to put on an exciting show. But where were we? Yes, falling into piranha-infested waters. So, what's your fate? Let's assume these are red-berry piranhas. This means the Amazon River, they should be doing all right for themselves and not starving. Thankfully, you're also not hitting the water alongside a bunch of fish guards, and ideally, you are not disrupting piranha breeding extravaganza. You falling, and the piranha most likely avoid you. Calmly, softly swimming or wading to shore is generally recommended because splashing is thought to attract piranhas. Indeed, they are equipped with dentation to do damage. But they rarely attack humans. They usually have better things to eat. As you make your way onto dry land, there is no feeding frenzy where they scrutinize your body within minutes, and upon exiting the water, you're probably pleased to find no chunks of flesh missing.